Okay, so we're printing onto a handbag and we're aiming to print into the corner of the product. This is a very rigid stitched item, so this kind of product is going to need to be supported from the inside so that when we press down, the bag doesn't get crushed during the stamping process. I have the bag positioned and placed onto the table for the Foilcraft Windsor machine, and we have some brass type letters already in position. We've actually propped the brass type out slightly so that the heat platen will not come into contact with the product either. And again, this product is being supported from the inside to hopefully offer a good print result. So we can now cover it with foil, like so. Lock the handle down into place, and then stamp. And there we go. Okay, so here's a quick second video just to show how we locked the brass type into the Foilcraft Windsor. First of all, you can see that there is a brass type piece that we've used with these bolts just to hold everything down from above. And then as we release the type chase for the machine, there are a couple of pieces of brass type that have just been fit behind the letters just to bring them forward a slight amount away from the rest of the heat platen of the machine. But the bolts on the side and the self-centering type holder will still hold the letters securely.